Ebusuapenin ebeka enti mu nsentwerefo no so edidi atam no bebrebe no njai bejai obi abusua mu asam mo yeyen saa Ebusuapenin tsame mo sori atam didie enso betumi awu bebre
Lumba banumi asi minim Ebusuapenin po Ebusuapenin se na Lumba himo na yie ba de waji aginam na asem ye kasa ye be kasa boba na no dey Lumba, he has paid his dues to Ghana. He does not deserve this comic relief stuff. Nah, sabe. Obi ti sa papa Shee. Wo bi a waje wa bodu se ni wuni a se na wonim nyansa. Ah, wo se nyame afro a minim nyame na efa no frɛ wo. Ense ma papa Shee wo ka nyina ensiso wo bi a wo bu atopa ne se wo bot fesa. Eno se nyame afrɛ wo. Ni wuni no sa. Efunu a ye wu a ye di 1 week a ye pese akopa ne kurabre ne ye papa no. Wo $60 euro ti. Why when new I polish move minutes to upon who said the average catch again. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Member. Subscribe, share. Minute 2 man now on sa enya kabi. Lumba hon asem na ba bebre akosia sewa odobroni na court has finally spoken. Now munim the laws of Ghana no. One lady has said say what quadrima or an esquire vim lady. I na ko ba me sister in law ba we nyanye. Ai one no wa church him yenkoti nyamra.
That Lumba ne irenum case court akasa were declining injunction. Just injunction na ye maame anti akosia sewa e ka senka court ne ma ne kwan na nkonfa to ayie no so no court ne se o ma kwan ti mo a mo TikTok na mo na ti manti maame sewa na ti modobro ni mpacho me hwe bibi o ti tie de judge no during that after o kan o court na o se esese omoye de ese de fata de etne judge ne say so be the application ba for injunction a etese nipa no prove say am injunction na boni bi besi but we there or the two nsene ani na ohwe de ante akocha sewa kan abusuafo odobroni ni ne lawyers so kan won say so am injunction na boni bi ensi and therefore ma injunction. That's the first strike against your mami ante akocha sewa. It is application wey a preliminary application. The lawyer for because a preliminary application it is say asem no potin ya mami ante akocha sewa de beto court and say court in declare so no ye yire no court no kran kan ho atama fe no mbeko. But preliminary issue no any injunction na osinke emfa to ayie no so court say so ma injunction na enye papa ma omanfo ye Ghana fo nyina mu pese o mbesu da Lumba no ensa nye papa ma ebusua because mu nyina ana ka say o say before kra on be masa injunction application ni ehun ruling no Ebusuapenin redraw ono so na challenge no ko na Ebusuapenin so e de akoto court na nim say o challenge anti akosia say wase enyina so ni tumi ben e na ono pese o de ba e be ka say yemfa injunction into ayie no so before a judge no during that after the ruling we beto dwa no na Ebusuapenin redraw ne de say nem say kofo ne o maka say as man so no do so e de enunguase e da Lumba legacy nti Ebusuapenin no or redraw ne de na te say aka injunction no any declaration say anti akosia na eye eyire na court the injunction so court atwatwene internet say ebusua no court ne ka say ebusua obi wu a eye awarijaye ene owuo na twitwa aware mu nti we o manja aware na owuo abanti therefore there's no marriage nti body no eye ebusua dia ebusua na ewo asudie ne so omoye ayie no nti Ebusuapenin na ebeye. That's the first strike against your mami akosia sewa because in injunction no ko en court ama no nti e ho no we lose injunction no so what I say nti afa de Ebusuapenin na ebeye nti Ebusuapenin na ebeye a Ebusuapenin na ebe kire de obekuna according to amamre Ebusuapenin say nipa mienu ni nye nti ene ayire no no wa ofo say onye ayie no onye kuna no onye onko but Ebusuapenin de ode ato say nipa mienu no na enye kuna. It's up to a yerenum yenu no so mbeja tum so mbeye kuna no ana omonye of course Ebusuapenin to me force obi a se beye kuna by force wa ope no wa ba beye but court is clear say obi wu a awaye na no ni obi a ote ase ware ne yetwam nti abusua ena ye na sudie se oye yie no and therefore no obekere de obeye kuna because ya amamre nipa na wawu ne amamre na busua amamre ene edisie no nye wo a wo ye yire ene ye ka amamre pa eyire wo nya busua ebusua obi afri ne busua mu oye akani ana bi onu fri ne nton a obo oye patrilinia so oye sremuni oye nkrani oye angunani omo nyina omo di ejade ne papa side amamre ne edi besie no so oye akani a akanfo di enade ne maame side ena yedi be amamre ne yedi besie no nti abusua na be kire se omamre nie pe omamre no kuna ne yese enti omukọ next time afa na judge ne so omukọ akohwe se hwan na yeyire because sese ana yemba substantive case so substantive case na ne se hwan na yeyire justice must be done say na judge ne kan no o se oma injunction that there will be no justice ena se wan grant injunction no so ense hwe because injunction yemma injunction in a vacuum yemma injunction say bibi besi ade na wo se eso ano nyesa ya so ano a boni besi bajad nsi we wo hwe a enya bibi boni bi eni wa eba besi na yemma injunction no so a ebe say yie no for the public for the busuafo no because e bia no matoto ne ema nyina na chese canopy ne akohayo aduane ne ye buki ane ne nyina so e ka beba nti na judge nti da bi on grant injunction bibi ankoso na ekebia so entumi amba case we dey discern bi because normally cases say na kokota because nipa na oye involved no onye ni petitu nti ente na yesua nti e good eyi so bi ensua na ye nyina ye mfanya futu nti na mse tiktokers no a ya twe ano ye keka na ye pamochew munja eja na mosusugum
wa chechirem wa wonti ase no verdict na na bae no by law in Ghana no sabe obi wu a oyebusualia and I wouldn't be me feel say the law in the wisdom no ye rotu for kasa ye o kasa munya kwasasem na mo ye na court no so ate because ohene akasa onye chief oye king to kasa eti boba na no dey Lumba. He has paid his dues to Ghana. He does not deserve this comic relief stuff. Na sabe, obi ti sa Papa Shee. Wo bi a wagya wabodwe se ne wunyi a se ne wonim nyansa. A wo se nyame afro a menim nyame na efa no frɛ wo. Ese ma Papa Shee wo ka nyina ensiso wo bi a wo bu atopa ne ese wo bɔ tresa. E no se nyame afrɛ wo. Na Papa Shee jira and the woman and the one you say as people ne ko o se jama we the man na enye jama wo jama ma zo mo ma we a eye brofo da your sister bakora nsiso e no de ba court o pe bibi pa ya wa ko fa Papa Shee no bo koyonso wa se any left right ne ko fo bom na de koyonso man and na o se wa hu Nyankopon Papa Shee en fa e kom enidi nkofo achi I didn't know, you know, say, come to them because yes, who say, who be America, or you didn't pound America. I had a timeline out there, okay, what you are pound ya? Papa Shee. I don't know, breaking dance after the wire was a holy, and no bad. We don't do this, we don't do that, you know. Papa Shee. Now me Papa Shee. Go also. Now so akosia sewa na di Papa Shee echi Papa Shee no betia di o se ko mo de de no o de betia di ewuo na ni na ewu ya Ebusuapenin Lumba Ebusuapenin osema wini
court no e de amaye aye no me ne mabusua kotenase ye pese ye ene ye beye obi ani aye no kwan ya biem e ka de Ebusuapenin ebeka enti mu nsentwerefo nso edidi atam no bebrebe no njai obi abusua mu asam mo ye yen saa Ebusuapenin tisame mo sori atemdidie enso betumi awu bebre eni nti no se court na kan wi yempe atemdidie ensem dia osi yenkosi esi ye dia ne se ye ne abusua ne nyina be kan bom na ya ade eye na abusua na tena ho enko basa dadi Lumba ye ntie ye wi na abusua na sa ye pe abusua ede nkapomuka me kasara na me kasa se ye tiensam bebre firi ahimfie ye tiensam ti amane ne amamre eno so ene ye de ye adwuma ne yemfa kikikiki nye adwuma ye make sure say ade bia ye bia eye enti ne yɛde bɛdam lawyer fo a ɔmo so kɔtena ase judge ahwɛ nsɛm lawyer fo akasa we akasa still yɛ pe peace ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛde bi ma na yɛ sɛ ya na yɛ ntɔkwa yɛ pe peace na yɛde yɛ gyina mu san sɛ yɛ ne yɛ ne mu nyinaa na yɛ ensɛndrofo mu a na mo bɛba akɔbɔ dawuro ama aniama nyinaa tumi awie pɛyɛ
Lumba busiani na akasa no Lumba bɔnu bi ɔsi minim Ebusuapenin po Ebusuapenin sɛ na Lumba himo ɛna yie ba de wagye agyinam na asɛm yɛ kasa yɛ bɛ kasa sabu yɛ muniama papa ofie a yɛ mɛ kasa papa me pa try pese de boss the we are kana bloggers nkofo ofie asɛm na wɔn asɛm na yɛ bɛ ka Lumba nya private man o Lumba yɛ national assets me met me at Lumba something in Foko or a national assets. Lumba who we are in Naya. We now can Lumba who yano because Mumu said also Nimo or boy you must say Ebusuapenin go Nimno or Nimnidi. When you are not there, what seem to man and Ebusuapenin yeah. Now this is tobacco when they don't Jimmy. You continue your car, by
6 December, they made me ready. 6 December, you mean you are ready? Yeah,
Mammy, who said, lawyer or can no cancer, me free mono. I could say, remember, you can say, a see, and a quick.
I not dear, we are seeing me part of the by me, mammy, you be any such as no, and you're not great. Piece a video so. Over here, Bibia. Chantron tuni paso sana nyame wosoro ya omunso nyame kakra onte se wane be ye bibia se wane ye bibia ade ni secret mo kwa mo ni nyame ade ni secret tinti no Again, you have so be a print. You say,
oh, I said, I'm ready. Now, one is who says, yo, is a yes. Hey, Lumba, you're going to for you. And the war, who are ready. Now, what anymore? Who can you Lumba, who you are coming? Lumba, nearby. I didn't know Lumba, then my dear boy, one for Woody, I'm born in your dad. Yes, in your panel. There's a woman. And now who could say, well, be a hey, who knew your nose? A funua, ye do 1 week, your best company crabber near ye, papa. Who second $1 tea? Why when new I have polishing minutes to upon who said the other catches again, Massa. Go somewhere. Okay, young way, yes. Hey, you may there, December, you could be Jim. Let's put it. You be tough from beginning to end. You about tough from any scene. Your camera guy be a tough from any asset. Then near the bachelor. No more say yes. I suppose you have a member of social chair. Really, 2 months I can be Manuel.